Introduction of Anchors. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our daily morning assembly. I am Jahanvi and this is my co host Varsha. We are excited to kick off another day of learning, fun, and inspiration. That's right, our assembly today is packed with exciting segments. So let's get started.
Prayer. Now I would request everyone to be in prayer position and let's together thank God for this life. Then the prayer starts.
Thought of the day. To set the tone for the day, let's begin with our thought of the day. Here is name of the student for today's thought. Today's thought is kindness is like sunshine. It warms everyone it touches. Remember, a small act of kindness can brighten someone's day. Science fun facts. Anchor 2. Did you know that honeybees can recognize human faces? Yes, those little buzzers are quite smart. Now let's all be as sharp as bees in our studies today. Here is name of the student for more such fun facts. Talent Showcase. Anchor 1. We have some talented students here. Let's give them a round of applause. Here you can invite students to showcase their talents like singing, dancing or any special skill just to enhance your school morning assembly. News Update. Anchor 2. Time for the latest news. Here in this segment, briefly explain or share the school related news, achievements or upcoming events. So, here is name of the student to tell today's news. Health tip. Anchor 1. Staying healthy is essential. Remember to drink plenty of water, eat nutritious meals and get enough rest. And don't forget to wash your hands regularly. Environmental awareness. Anchor 2. Our planet needs our care. Let's pledge to reduce plastic waste and protect our environment. Your one step can do a lot. Student of the Week. Anchor 1. It's time to recognize our outstanding Student of the Week. Congratulations to student's name. Principal's message. Anchor 1. Now please welcome our Principal Sir to ponder his knowledge on us. Closing and National Anthem. Anchor 2. As we wrap up our school assembly, let's stand for our national anthem. Thank you all for being a part of this wonderful morning gathering. Have a fantastic day ahead.